What's up guys? Today I'm unboxing the Acer Nitro 34-inch UltraWide QHD curved gaming monitor. And I'm excited to share it with you. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just looking to upgrade your setup, with this 3440 by 1440 resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and a sleek zero frame design, this monitor promises an immersive and productive experience. How about amateur video editors? Are you guys tired of splitting your video editing timeline across two monitors? Well, me too. That's why I picked up this beast for my editing setup, paired with my Apple Mac Mini M2. I grabbed this from Costco for under $200 on Black Friday, a total steal. If you don't have a Costco membership, it's also available on Amazon with a slight spec bump, including a 180Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync, making a great choice for gamers too. In this video, I'll unbox this massive monitor and give you guys a closer look what's inside. I'll also show you how it looks installed in my setup, mounted on a standard single monitor arm, and explain the process. Stick around for my final thoughts to see if this monitor is worth adding to your setup. If you're interested in getting one, check the product link in the description. By ordering through my link, you won't pay anything extra, but you help support the channel so I can keep creating honest reviews and unboxings like this. Thanks for your support and watching, and let's dive in. So let's go ahead and unbox this Acer Nitro EDO series ultra-wide curved gaming monitor. Alright, it's huge, so bear with me. I did some alterations on my recording studio so I can actually properly open this for you guys. This monitor has the resolution of 3440 by 1440. It's a Quad HD monitor, 120Hz refresh rate with a 1 millisecond response time. So these are all the goodies comes with this monitor. Let's start with this. It's an HDMI cable, standard HDMI cable, appears to be about 3 to 4 feet long. Power cable, it's actually a power brick with a 3-prong cable and their proprietary plug. And the base, again, it's a huge base. Reminds me of my 55-inch Samsung TV's base. I'm planning on using this for my video editing setup. So it's going to be living on a hydraulic arm. But here's the base. And here's the monitor stand. The base almost felt like some sort of hard plastic material, but the mount and the stand looks like made out of solid metal. Also, the base has metal reinforcements underneath, so it's not a piece of plastic to be exact. It's strong enough to carry this load. Alright, let's go ahead and remove this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this monitor out of here so we can actually talk about the monitor itself, not the styrofoam. Alright, so it's a ultra-wide monitor, curved monitor. I did a lot of research prior to ordering this. I think this is gonna serve my needs. It's a gaming monitor, but I'm not going to use it for gaming. I'm using it, again, I'm going to be using it for my video editing, so I can see the whole timeline from left to right comfortably without worrying about missing anything. It looks like it's edge-to-edge display, so it's almost near to nothing edges on 3 edges except the bottom, and it's not too wide. Some of these monitors are huge, like as wide as here. This one is pretty cool. There are 2 HDMI ports, a display port, power port, and a headphone jack underneath. So all the ports are here, nowhere else. And a standard, I think 100 millimeter VESA or VESA monitor mount in the back. So that's pretty cool. And there's a little lock option here for those of you locking their monitors. And see what the sticker says. Okay, fairly cool. It says the model number, version, all the good stuff underneath. Manufactured in September 2024. So this monitor is less than 2 months old, you guys. It has plastic all around it. Appears to be very, very well made. Yeah, so this is the Acer Nitro 34-inch ultra-wide QHD monitor. It's a gaming monitor. Let me know if you get one, how you like it, or if you already own one. So you guys, here's the monitor installed. Look at the comparing to 27-inch LG monitors I have. This is the Acer 34-inch ultra-wide QHD curved gaming monitor, and I absolutely love it. And in my opinion, as a final thought, I highly recommend it, especially if you're in a budget such as me. This is an excellent buy. I was lucky to grab this for under $200 from Costco on Black Friday. However, I think it's still for that price in some Costco's or maybe online. You can check it. But I mean, it's not too far. If you get it from Amazon, it's actually a step up from this monitor with 180 hertz and AMD FreeSync feature built in. I'm not sure this one doesn't have that AMD FreeSync. I don't even know what it does for. What is that for? I don't have an AMD video card, so I'm not worried about that. However, it's an excellent monitor for my needs. But the one on Amazon is only $99 more than this, and I think that's an awesome buy too. If I couldn't buy this, that was my plan to buy the next one. I'll go ahead and put that link, like I told you earlier, on my description. You're more than welcome to check it out and pick one. And as always, thanks for watching. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know. And have an awesome day. Thanks for watching Teo's Take.